Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at the studio. I'm doing makeup for a client's photo shoot, and I did not get to record me doing her makeup, but she's already done, so I'll show you guys how it turned out. And she's shooting now, so come with me.
Awesome. Look at my makeup. Just look at my makeup.
Flawless.
Yes.
She made my job easy.
And she made me more beautiful.
Period.
Yes. Point blank period.
Happy Saturday. I am actually at another studio today. Yesterday we talked and I was at my brother's studio doing makeup, but now I'm at another studio. The mirror's a little dirty. Hold on, let me turn it up. Started a wig line for women with alopecia. She specializes in wigs for women with alopecia. I'm gonna have her come on camera later and tell you guys a little bit about what she does, the services that she provides, and everything that she's gonna have in store for 2021. So you guys definitely stay tuned. I'm about to set up and get ready for makeup. I recently got a comment under my last vlog, and someone asked, could I show my application process on my clients? So I'm gonna do that today. Once I have the models come in, I'm actually gonna film me doing their makeup, because I usually show you guys the before and then show you the after. But this time I'm gonna actually show the whole process of me doing their makeup. Sorry y'all, I was rushing this morning. I did a little 2-minute beat, threw my rebellious lashes on and came out the house. I'm about 45 minutes away from where I live, so I had to drive here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm going to go.
Nana Rashida. Yo, I kid. I'm about to get cute, yo. Just wait, look.
Yay.
It already look like I got lashes on a little bit.
Cause your lashes is long. You naturally beautiful, girl.
You better tell them. They don't know.
No.
I might look like somebody crackhead aunt right now, but wait till she get me together. Whew.
Alright guys, so I know I said I would film the whole process, but here's the finished look. I ran out of storage, but here's the finished look. She's wearing our baddie lash.
Custom wig maintenance and repair and construction service. This was made out of the need for myself because I have alopecia, so I decided to make wigs for myself, and I want people to feel the same way that I do, because hair is not who you are, but it's an accessory. So if you're looking for, you know, custom wigs, anything cheap, anything expensive, I'm the person you need to come to. WIGZ by _T.CHANAE. Follow me, come shop with me. I'm here for all of you. Period.
I was gonna vlog all day, but it's been hectic. I'm on set now with the very own Top Notch. Hi, Randy.
What's up? How y'all doing?
So, tell them a little bit about what you got going on this Valentine's Day.
Well, as you know, I'm a photographer, and I also, for Valentine's Day, I decided to do a little gift for her and a gift for him. As you can see, I'm trying to save you guys on a hustle. Get flowers. You can get your lovely lady some strawberries. And for him, I got something for him. And some whiskey. Ashton's and McCullen whiskey. 12 years.
Yes.
We'll make sure we share our information. I'll make sure I got y'all.
Yes.
Valentine gift.
Let them know what your Instagram name is and how to find you if they're looking to buy something for their significant other.
All right. It's Top Notch. So top, T-O-P, _ N-O-T-C-H, _ photos, 215.
Perfect.
Purchase your tracks today.
Guys, so my best friend Sadie's birthday was last week, so me and my mom decided to surprise him. Sadie loves seafood, and so does me and my mom. So I was gonna take him to dinner, but my mom wanted to cook seafood tonight anyway, so we decided it'd be a good idea, and also very COVID conscious, to do a little seafood night at our place. Sadie just got here. But he has no idea we did all of this. I cannot wait to see the look on his face. Just watch.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
It's really nice.
She cooked for you. She cooked everything.
There you go. You got crab cakes, fried shrimp, fish. It's potatoes, corn on the cob.
I want to record this. Say thank you to Mother Lisa for preparing an awesome meal. I feel stuffed at 11 o'clock at night. And I also want to say thank you to Tia for giving me a surprise. This is actually my first surprise, guys, ever. I don't really do surprises. Ever.
Yeah, Sadie doesn't do surprises.
So, but it was a good meal and stuff. And I want to say thank you to Tia. It was a beautiful birthday weekend. Thank you. Best ever.
What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna end this week's vlog here. I'm shooting with one of my stylist designer friends tonight, Malcolm. We're gonna get some street style content. What's up, guys? We live out here.
This shit looks so fire.
Do it?
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the vlogs. And I'll see you guys next week. Love you guys. Smooches.